Hey guys, welcome to Spool and Boost here. I got my brother here with us again, and we got a 99 to 02 Chevy LB7 Duramax body style, and we want to show you how rough it starts.
It's got some glow plug issues and some other minor issues that a good guy Wade, the guy that helped paint our hood for Baymax, he wants us to help fix his truck because his glow plugs are having some problems. So it's not starting the best when it gets cold. So we're gonna fix that for him and fix some other things and service it for him. So
yep. So we're gonna take care of our Dead Rug Customs guys. So we're gonna show you here how she starts. And so when you turn the key on this truck, it says wait to start. So today is about 48 degrees, and it basically, when it's 30 degrees or 25 degrees, it's hard to start. And we have a couple glow plugs that are out, and we're gonna show you how to get to those in the front, what to take off to get to it, make it a little easier for you guys. Another thing that we want to fix on this truck is the squeaky belt. You can hear it. And these trucks, believe it or not, the engine idlers will go out probably when you're in the middle of nowhere, no service, or the belt goes out. Usually the belt is so worn out, when the idler freezes, it just blows off. So we'll show you how to change the idlers too, change the engine belt, the tensioner. Simple little things to make your truck back to 100% factory. So let's get to her. So here it is, LB7, and see if I can get the light down here. Looks like we're gonna put a new belt, new idler, and you can see this idler here. It's dragging. It's worn out. So I'm gonna take this belt off, and the best thing what I do when I take a belt off is, luckily this truck has diesel, V8, another V8 option. Here's our diesel motor. I always grab my phone and take a picture of where they're routed every time, because you always forget. And the nice thing about this belt is you can just loosen that tensioner right there, pull this all out and pull it out as one, put your belt back in and all at once. The other thing is, before we put our belt back on, we're going to change that idler right there. We'll change that idler right there, and that idler right there. As you can see right there. Kind of hard to see, but it's that guy right there underneath. So the main thing on these trucks you always want to change is the 3 idlers. Two idlers are ride, and the one on the far bottom is ribbed. So this one, I get it with the tensioner, because change it together, why not? It's just better that way. And change the rest. So let's get to her. So what I do is I get a ratchet, and it's 3/8, no matter what. And you slide it in that hole right there. You can see the square. Slide it in, pull it back, and then let me set this here so you guys can see. I'll take that camera. Slide it off. Okay, so we got it all routed. We took it off the alternator and put it on the fascia compressor. It's easier to put it on the alternator. If you need a diagram, we got one right here. Yep. Right here on the I told them cover. There's your wrench. Make sure you get it on all the idlers. Make sure you're all lined up. Good. Everything's in their ribs. The one on the, how does that one look right there? The black one, the black idler right there. You gotta come towards you. There you go. Okay, you're good now.
Okay.
And how's the crank?
Looks good.
Okay. And just like that.
Kind of a pain, but once you get it on, you're good to go.
Yep. So I always say take your time. Take your time and take pictures before you take it off. He went to go get me the right belt. The other belt was a little long because it had you have an accessory, and the other belt was for the accessory. So he got me the right belt. So that you might make maybe a trip or two. You might not even make a trip at all. But always give all your information right the first time at the parts store. But sometimes everyone makes mistakes. So which is good. That's how we get better, right?
Yeah, and sometimes another good idea is say, if you have another vehicle with you, take the belt off and take it to the parts store and measure it out with the guy, and then you'll figure out which one you want.
So this is the belt I used, and then this was the 233009 pulley and 38008. So one is grooved and one is the flat edged. So that is what you needed for idlers, because mine were wrong. And yeah.
Hey guys, sorry about this last video that we're going to be posting, but we've been caught up in a lot of stuff that's been happening this last couple of months. And we forgot to record a video of the truck running with the new belt and stuff and idlers. So we have 2 more videos coming out, and hopefully can have them out these next couple weekends for you guys on Wade's truck, our guy that did the paint job for our GMC. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. It ain't long, but I'll try to get these other videos out to you guys so you guys can watch them and see if you like and what you don't like, and hopefully they help you out here and there for your stuff and for your troubles. So thank you guys for watching us. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.